Hello, hello there. Hi, I'm just wondering if Jesse lives here.
No.
Do you happen to know Jesse?
Yeah, he's my son.
He's your son?
He's not.
You know where he lives?
No. I don't know.
You don't know?
That.
Do you stay in contact with him?
No. I haven't talked to him since the last time you guys were here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How long ago were we here?
It was quite the ordeal.
You know why we would be here to talk with him?
Yeah, because he got warrants.
Yeah, he's got several of them.
Huh?
He's got several.
Several warrants.
Yeah, out of different cities.
Let me shut this.
Okay. Yep.
No, don't shoot him. You shot him?
Yeah, he was gonna attack my partner.
You shot my dog?
Put him inside.
Come on, boy. He shot him, Richard.
You let your dog out and he almost attacked my partner.
I know. I tried.
So we had to do what we had to do. You understand that?
Did you shoot him to kill him?
Looks like you got him in the mouth.
Attacking me, man.
No, I know, but is he...
It looks like you got him in the mouth. If you want to go check him out, you can. But don't let him out that door again.
Because I'm going to shut this...
He was attacked by a dog.
That's right. You alright?
Yeah.
He get you?
I'm shaking.
He get you?
No, he was right there.
I had to jump in the truck. I got it on camera.
We're starting fire in rat.
He's alright. That dog came straight at him. I had to jump in the truck. So.
I'll talk to her if you want to just choke. Yeah. 20 outside. Start fire, yeah, please. Fast.
Inside.
No, he's going to probably die.
Alright.
It's alright, man. I got it all on camera. You gotta do what you gotta do. That dog was barreling straight for you. So, and I had my gun out too. So, here's your, It looks like he just had a flesh wound in the mouth. So. Looks like he just got hit in the mouth. The dog.
Live, so I don't want to go in there if I can hear it.
Oh, that dog came barreling straight out that door.
It's alright. I heard that, man. I was like, what in the world was that?
You heard that?
I heard it. I was like, fuck, that doesn't sound like a gunshot. Alright. I'm on. Are you guys on? I'm checking.
We're good.
I'll turn mine off.
Look at me, man. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm shaking.
You get you?
No, he was right there.
I had
and
to jump
got
in the truck. You got it on camera. He's alright. That dog came straight at him. I had to jump in the truck. So.
I'll talk to her if you want to just choke.
Yeah.
Got him on 22. I'm code 4.
Alright, man. I got it all on camera. You gotta do what you gotta do. That dog was barreling straight for you. So, and I had my gun out too. So. Here's your, Looks like he just had a flesh wound in the mouth.
Yeah.
So.
I heard that, man. I was like, what in the world was that? I heard it. I was like, fuck, that doesn't sound like a gunshot. I'm on. Are you guys on?
I'm chatting
We're
right
good.
now.